to avoid when wearing hearing aids. Don't spray when you wear hearing aid, like makeup, hairspray, or perfume. Avoid the rain when wearing hearing aids, even swimming, or wet hair.
So all of these things are just from the past now, right? Because now Starkey has came out with the new Omega AI hearing aid that is completely waterproof up to 1 meter. So even if you're sweating in the summer, you want to go play some water polo in the pool, exercise in the pool, even swim around, as long as it's within 1 meter, you should be fine. So they are waterproof now. And if you want to come trial them out for yourself, book an appointment with us, send us a message, and we'll get you set up with a 7-day free trial.